how to share files between phone and PC using ShareMe. So if you were to transfer data files between your PC and your mobile device or your Android device using your ShareMe application, then just watch this video. First, you need to make sure that you have ShareMe application. If you don't find the application, you can just simply go and install it from your Play Store. After opening the application, you need to go with these three horizontal lines, which will be in the top right. Now, let me tell you that before starting this process, you need to make sure that your PC and your Android device is connected with the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, you need to tap on Share to PC and then tap on Next, which will be on the bottom, and tap on While using the application. And you just need to simply go with tap on Start, which will be on the bottom. Now you can go with connection type, which is portable or password protected. I'll just simply go and select portable and then tap on OK, and you will have internal storage option, and you will have the address into your computer's file manager. So first, what you need to do is connect your phone and computer to the same network and enter this address into your computer's file manager. So let's move on to the PC. Once you're on your PC, you need to go with the file manager section. Once you're on your file manager, you need to go with this PC, and here you need to enter the link that we have, or the address that we have, which is ftp colon // 192.168. You'll have this kind of interface. Just simply go and enter that. After that, hit the enter. Now, as you can see, that you will have all of the folders that are available on your Android device. You can just simply go and select any folder that you would like to paste it on your PC. Like, for example, I want this one. So I'll just simply drag this folder and drop it right here. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.